Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today. At an annual effective interest rate of I, where I is positive, the present value of a perpetuity paying 10 at the end of each 3-year period, with the first payment at the end of year 6, is 32. At the same annual effective rate of I, the present value of a perpetuity immediate paying 1 at the end of each 4-month period is X. Calculate X. Okay, so let us think about a solution. If you have an annual perpetuity immediate of 10, then its present value is 10 over I. But this perpetuity is paid every 3 years and starts at the end of year 6, which is 2 3-year periods into the future. So if you had a perpetuity paid every 3 years, this one is deferred by 1 3-year period. And using an effective interest rate over a 3-year period, 1 plus I cubed minus 1, that would be the effective rate over a 3-year period. If it was just a straight perpetuity immediate, its present value would be 10 over that effective rate over 3 years, which is 1 plus I cubed minus 1. But because it's deferred by 3 years, we need to multiply it by V cubed. So that's the present value of the perpetuity we're considering, and this must be equal to 32 based on what the problem says. So we get this equation that V cubed times 10 over 1 plus I cubed minus 1 is equal to 32, and this can be rewritten as 10 V cubed equals 32 times 1 plus I cubed minus 32, so that 32 times 1 plus I to the 6th minus 32 times 1 plus I cubed minus 10 is equal to 0. You get this by just multiplying everything through by 1 plus I cubed and then moving everything to one side. And this is a quadratic equation if you consider 1 plus I cubed to be the unknown. And therefore 1 plus I cubed using the quadratic formula is 32 plus minus the square root of 2304 divided by 64, which is 32 plus minus 48 over 64, and we have two answers, 1.25 and negative 0.25. Well, only the positive answer makes sense. So 1 plus I cubed is 1.25. Therefore, the effective interest rate over a 4-month period is, the 1 plus I expression has to be equal to 1.25 to the 1/3, and then the effective rate over a 4-month period, which is a third of a year, would be 1.25 to the 1/3, which is that 1 plus I, and then that taken to 1/3, so this is really 1 plus I to the 1/3, minus 1. That's the effective rate over a 4-month period, interest rate. And that's equal to 1.25 to the 1/9 minus 1. And we have a unit perpetuity immediate, of 1 paid every 4 months, starting in 4 months. So that present value will be 1 over the effective interest rate over that period. So 1 over 1.25 to 1/9 minus 1, and that's X that we're looking for, and it's equal to 39.8348 approximately, which is answer B. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.